What's up, you guys? It's your boy Big C6 here today doing a video. Real quick unboxing of just a quick case for the LG K51 on boost. This is what it looks like. Just a plain black case. Came with this little cardboard or styrofoam thing, and another thing I got today that I've been waiting for. I've seen these things all over and stuff. I've been wanting a pair of them really bad, so I decided. I seen them on Macari for pretty cheap. These bad boys right here, these are supposed to be, if I can get that to focus, 40mm drivers, wireless. It says super bass. These are the Pekin P28S's. You got their little things here. And then you got back here, if I can get this to focus better. Come on. Come on. Yeah, this is the box that they come in. I'm trying to get this to focus. Anyway, let's open these bad boys. Okay. So you get your little booklet thing here. Then you get your accessories, which normal, just normal. Nothing special on these. Sorry about that, you guys. Alright, let's get... I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope, just a black box. Alright, so let's get into... To me, it's kind of a cheap feeling. They're cheapy feeling plastic, but they feel, pretty well built, I guess. I'll definitely be trying them out and letting you guys know how they work. But this has been my unboxing of a case and putting another pair of headphones, y'all. Your boy Big C6. I'm out, y'all. Peace.